Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. With the holiday, sometimes we want to make bread, and bread is not that easy to make with the fermentation of the dough and the rest and all those things. When I have guests, I love to make popover. Popover is that type of bread, or I don't want to call it bread, but it's a kind of bread that's really puff and it's delicious. It has cheese, a little bit of salt, and it's pretty easy to make. Easy recipe: 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of salt, 2 eggs, and then a little bit of cheese. This is a Gruyère cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like to put on top. So the milk is just warm. Now I'm going to add my egg to the milk, pardon. Okay. Break the yolk, mix everything together, add your flour, and the recipe is done. I mean, it cannot be easier than that. Okay. So what's interesting here is that I put some muffin tin inside my oven for a good 15 to 20 minutes. And I put 2 molds on top of each other, so they're going to retain the heat. So you have to put the popover, the mixture, into the tin, the muffin tin, when the tin are hot. So that's the way that it works. So I'm going to spray with a little bit of cooking spray and add my mixture to it. A little bit of the spray. I always prefer to use butter, but sometimes something like that need to go very fast, the spray works very well. Okay, you put about 3/4 of the mold up, the mixture. Okay, and then next you put about a tablespoon of cheese on top. You know what? It's really depends how much you love cheese. I love cheese, especially Gruyère. So I'm going to put maybe a little bit more than a tablespoon on each. Okay, and we're going to put that back in the oven. And that's going to stay in the oven for a good 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'll show you when they come out. Okay, let's look at the popover. So I flip them just to let them dry a little bit on the bottom here, and then all you have to do is put them into a tray to present them at your dinner table, and that's it. The fun thing with popover is they are easy to make, they are cheesy, and you can serve them warm. So, you know, they have kind of empty inside, doughy. When you sit at the table, this is something that you go to. Bon appétit and happy holidays.